What do you look for when choosing a trading company?
Number one, ease of getting your money in and out, deposits and withdrawals. We've had cases where you withdraw and exactly, or even brokers who closed down. There've been such cases. Are they regulated to do what it is that they're doing? How are their spreads? For us as traders, that's the cost of doing business. If the spreads are too high, then it doesn't make sense to us. It doesn't make business sense to us. So that's also something to look at. Of course, we can get technical about it, spreads, deviation, and all such kind of things, but also the customer service. If you have an issue, how simple is it when you call up your broker? Can you get assistance as quickly as possible? Because we've also had instances before where, you're trying to call the customer care, you have an issue and you just can't get to them, But when they want to promote things, they can get to you, So such kind of things, I don't know.
Pretty much same situation in terms of, especially before when dealing with brokers, it was especially a fact that there was none in Kenya. So you had to deal with all other companies that were out of the country. So you never really knew where your money was. It had to be a process for actually you to get your money back. As you mentioned, spreads, as long as they're tight spreads, as you meant, you'd want tight spreads to be able to end up making your money in the charts. You don't want to necessarily be charged too high, because when starting out, we ended up experiencing that as well. And the fact that the M-Pesa aspect of being able to withdraw where it's immediate, I like the fact that if a broker can end up offering that, it really helps, because as you said, a week to wait or a month to wait for your payment. And the fact that brokers who are actually here in the country, where if you do have any issue, you can actually go there. You're seeing with the other companies, you never knew if it was just a website, if they had an office, or if it was just one person on their computer. But at least with here, you can end up finding a nice regulated broker who your money is safe, and you can actually get problems sorted out if there are any. Yeah.